It says, "Hey Glamours, you are on board for an amazing VIP manicures." This is so cute. Oh! Wait a minute, hold on. Guys, I'm so excited. I got a box from Madame Glam. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Listen, if you know, you know. Like, this is one of my first PR packages, and I'm so freaking excited. Like, oh, anyway, so I got two boxes here, and we're going to open her up and see what's inside these beautiful boxes. I love the packaging. It's so pretty with the little gold foil. It's just like really, really pretty. So let's take it one box at a time. This is the first one. Let's see. You guys, I'm so excited. Ooh, pink. Y'all know I love some pink. All right, let's see. We got 3 colors here. The first one is, do they have names on here? Okay, there we go. It looks like a burgundy color. This one's called Spiced Up. Ooh, that's so pretty. And some of this, I picked this out for like the holidays, so some of these colors might be a little bit holiday related. This one is called All Natural. This is like a pretty pink, and y'all know I love some pink, okay? Ooh, yes, like a baby doll pink. That's so pretty, like a pastel pink. Yeah, I like that. This would be cute for Valentine's Day. The next one, it is their base coat. So just the regular base coat. So let's put those over here. And then let's go ahead and open up the next one. Oops. All right. Ooh, more colors. Let's see what we got here. Hello, Glamorous. Welcome to our influencer community. It's our pleasure to have you join the nail team. We believe that when talent meets amazing products, magic happens. We don't use animal deprived ingredients, so they're vegan. They're 21 free formula, so that means they're free from 21 of the most toxic chemicals found in nail polish. We don't test on animals and never will, and produce with the respect for the environment, so palm oil free. This is so cute. Oh my god. And then it gives you a little guide of how to use their products. So yeah, super cute. No wipe top coat. Ew. Next one, this one's called Beige Rose. As you can tell, you guys, I love neutral colors, pinks and glitter and metallics, okay? Ooh, that's pretty. So it's definitely like a beige color. That's pretty. The next one, it is called Pivot. It's another neutral color. Yeah, I'm cracking up because all these colors are definitely neutral. Like, this is so funny. This is more like a warm tone. Super pretty. The next one is called Eco Chic Red. And this is a metallic, like a sparkly red. This looks so pretty. Let's go ahead and open. Ooh, yes. You know what? This is perfect for Valentine's Day. Wait a minute. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. I really like that. This one is Dream Diamonds, and this is a sparkly, like, purple. Ooh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. So sparkly purple. Then we have, this one's called Am I Clear? That's cute. Ooh, with like gold specks. That's really pretty. Okay, Madam Glam. I see you, girl. This is their holographic cat eye gel polish, and I got this. Oh, it is holographic cat eye. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay. I cannot wait to try these. Oh my gosh. I have some ideas running through my head. And then the last color is another pink, but it's like sparkly. This one's called Daydream. It's like a sparkly pink. Oh, that's so pretty. I really like these. And these colors, like I said, they're right up my alley. We got some nudes. We got some pinks. We got a lot of sparkle. Because if you guys know me, I love sparkle and glitter and all that stuff. So we got their base coat and their top coat. I'm going to show you Pivot and Beige Rose together. So you can tell they're definitely two different colors. This is Beige Rose and this one's Pivot. Definitely two different colors. So when people say, you know, oh, you wear the same colors, like natural colors, listen, every color has a different undertone and a different finish. So yeah, that's that. Here are all the colors right here. Super pretty. I love every single one. Definitely my top colors is all natural, which is this one, the pink one. Then after that, it will have to be the holographic. After that, it has to be, let's see, the Beige Rose. Beige Rose is my third. This pink one right here. And then this one, and then this one, and then these. But these colors right here, right up my alley. I love colors like these. They're so pretty. And then these right here, but they're all pretty, very good quality, you guys. They're nice and thick. They're opaque. They're the way I put them on, they're nice and smooth. And a lot of them I only needed one coat, but yeah, you guys, these are awesome. I'm so excited. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me this PR package. I'm truly excited and looking forward to many more partnerships and more reviews. So yeah, you guys, let me know which ones you want me to do a set with or some designs. Either way, more stuff is coming with all these colors right here. So make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe. And once again, thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these beautiful, gorgeous gel polish colors. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.